Hello friend, this is Umang. In this video, I'm going to explain my experiment number 9, that is web application using ASP.NET for my C Sharp and .NET programming. So before starting my program, I want to tell you what are the feature we need to include. We need to include every application must contain login and registration page, database to maintain the detail, and include a necessary page of the application plus insert, update, delete, search as well as grid view. So first I will tell you my database. This is the my database that I created for login. Design I'll show you. For design I am giving username and the password, and for taking the student information for here I am using name and the college. I am want to store name, college information, student name as well as the college, because I need to do student information system. So here in information I am storing student college name. So I'll show you my program. So this is my program. Start with page number 2. So in page number 2 you can see my login page. Here username and password I am asking. So before there's a registration number. For registration number I am redirect to registration.asp.net. So in registration number what we have, I am asking username and the password and submit. When it will submit, I need to register, I need to goes to my database. So for that I am taking first username as textbook.text, textbook to text as a password, and this is my DB string for connecting with my database, and this is for SQL connection. Now here my connection has been established and I open my connection. And for insert my username and password in my database, I am using insert into web login admin username and password and n1 and 2 parameter. So what is here my command SQL command is for running, and here n1 and n2 what here I created SQL command object here for connect adding my n1 value. So n1 is my SQL data type is varchar length and give 15, column name is a username. The username value I am inserting into n1 and say password into n2, and my execute is query has been executed. When query will execute, this two value username and password goes to my database, and it will automatically redirect to page number 2. So when it will go my username password I need to enter, and when I will click submit button, it need to check the values. For checking the value I have a SQL command select stuff from web where username and password is correct, and when I will execute this command I will get some value. So for that I need to create SQL data adapter and with my command, and I created my data table. In data table I filled in data table I am checking that number is greater than 0 or not. If it is 0 it means my user is present, and I am redirect to page number 3, otherwise I am displaying the message wrong password or username. So when it goes to my page number 3, page number 3 contain all the information, delete, insert, update and the such. When I am creating the delete, it's going for delete my page. If it is insert, so insert page, update page and the search page. So insert page what I am using username and the name of the student and college. When I will click button, so that time I am inserting the value for insert into web student for name college and to parameter, and for adding parameter we have the command dot parameter dot, and here my object name type, column name and the values. And then for delete I am asking delete my username that you want to delete, and then button. When it will create a button, that time I am taking that a string st as a, and I started my connection object, and I am deleting SQL command delete from the web student where name equal to that name given by the admin. And the next is for my search. And search what I am asking my username to enter username you want to search. When it will click in Gridview I need to display that message. For we know that SQL data adapter is the command. I created SQL data adapter with my command with the username, and I created one data set that is the DS data set, and the data adapter I am filling with data set. And grid view I am grid dot data source, I'm that data set table 0, I'm putting in my grid view that he can search. And then update, we have only changed our command. I am asking updating college name, update college name, enter name for updating college. So this is for updating college. Here I am taking username and the college name. And for SQL command, we have update student web info set college name. I am setting college where name equal to name for my object. And here I am executing my query. After executing, I am redirecting to my page 3. Now I will show you my output. So here my login page is there, username. First I am creating my user. So username I am giving test1, test1. Now I click submit button. Now my user has been submitted. If you want, I'll show you my database too. Now here you can see test1, test1 is there, and admin and test. So I'll stop. I'll run this program again. Now I'm creating one more. Now here test2, test2 submitted. My user has been submitted. Now I am putting test2, test2. Now when I entered, it's coming to my page. Here we can see the student name and the college name. So first I am deleting, delete option, which you want to delete. I want to delete RAM. Now my RAM has been deleted. Insert, insert. Now I am inserting Umang Sharma new. This is the name because I am entering new, and here I am putting as a University. Now when I click, you can see Sharma new is there. And again for deleting Umang Sharma new, Umang Sharma, because size I giving as a 10, so that's why. So Umang Sharma any that actually. So Umang Sharma any has been deleted. Now for insert, again I am inserting love, college name Karunya University. Now you can see my love has been inserted. And third is for updating. For I am updating love value college. Actually, he is studying in DTU, so I am putting as a DTU. So you can see love college name has been updated. Now for search, I want to search any value. So for searching, I want to search Umang. Some error is coming, but so here we can see our oh. So this is for update. Umang I am also updated. Yes, I hope you understand this experiment. Thank you.